Hi, everybody. It's Miss Loomis and Lucy. Lucy's here with me today. She finally woke up. I have a book that I want to read to you today, and it's about something that Lucy would never want to see. It's about a flea. Have you ever seen a flea? Little tiny things. They get on your dogs or your cats, your pets, and sometimes they get in your yard and they just make you all itchy and everything. Well, I have a story today about a flea, and I want to share this book with you. Give me just a second. Say bye, Lucy. Okay, that's better. Okay, so this story is called The Flea's Sneeze. The Flea's Sneeze. And if you can see, the flea is right up there, and he's got a little tiny box of tissues. Anyway, the author of this book is Lynn Downey, and the illustrator who did all of these really cool pictures is Carla Firehammer. Firehammer. I kind of like that name. All right, so let's get to reading. The Flea's Sneeze. On a dark, dark night, on an old, old farm, in a rickety, crickety, tumble down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, and an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him cough, not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and it woke the cat, who hissed meow. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo, moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered whoo,
It flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woof, woof, and sprayed the hog, who screamed ew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse, the flea, used for a house, kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. For all the rest of that dark, dark night on the old, old farm in the rickety, crickety, tumble down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse that he used for a house, the rat and the cat and the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog, everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled sneeze. I think I'm gonna sneeze. The end. I hope you liked that book. I thought it was pretty funny. See you next time.